Welcome to the instructional video for collecting blood samples. Please watch the entire instructional video before you start collecting the blood sample. As an adult, please use the blood sample kit from your chosen envelope. Your blood sample kit should be marked with the same color as your envelope. The envelope for the child is not color-coded and includes no blood sample kit. Please take the blood sample kit in the morning and give it afterwards to your child, who will bring the sample to a teacher at school. It is important that the blood sample is taken to school on the same day it has been collected. The time between collecting the blood sample and handing it in at school should not be longer than 4 hours. Unfortunately, we cannot evaluate samples that are older than that. First, please open your blood sample kit and place all the materials it contains on the table in front of you. You will find the following materials in your blood sample kit: written instructions, paper towels, 2 alcohol swabs, 4 compresses, 2 disposable lancets, a blood sample tube, 2 plasters, and a small card. If you would like to read the instructions in written form, you can have a look at the instructions included in the kit. Before you start the actual blood collection, please prepare all materials. To make the blood sample collection easier for you, please look for a container in which you can place the blood sample tube. The tube needs to stand upright in the container, and you should be able to reach the edge of the tube easily with your finger. Here we show different options of how this could look like. Please wash your hands carefully with soap and very warm water for at least 1 minute. The very warm water enhances the blood circulation of your hands. This will make it easier for you to collect your blood sample. Afterwards, please dry your hands with the provided paper towels. Do not use your own towels. Next, please open the lid of the tube and place the tube upright in your container. If you're right-handed, it is best to take blood from your left index finger. Left-handed people should use the right index finger. The puncture site should be on the side that touches your middle finger. This will make it easier for you to draw the blood drops later. Now wipe the described area on your finger with an alcohol swab to disinfect it. Please take one of the lancets and pull off the lid. The lancet is now ready to use. Press your thumb on your index finger so that the skin of your fingertip tightens. Next, place the tip of the lancet on your fingertip and press the button of the lancet until it's triggered. Now take one of the compresses and wipe off the first blood drop. This must not be used for the sample. Slowly stroke your index finger with your free hand towards the puncture site. Keep the fingertip slightly downwards to enhance the blood flow. Do not press too hard. As soon as a drop of blood has formed, please catch it immediately with the blood sample tube. Therefore, touch the drop with the inside of the high side of the tube without touching the tube with your skin. Repeat this process until the collected blood has reached at least the first line of 250 microliters. Feel free to add more blood to the tube, but please do not collect less. It is important that the blood in the tube is quickly filled with blood. Do not take too much time with filling, otherwise the blood in the tube will clot. Once you've collected enough blood, you can close the tube with the lid. Now turn the blood sample tube upside down for 10 times. Thereby your sample will be mixed with the substances in the tube. Next, you can wipe your finger with a clean compress and apply a plaster to the puncture site. During the blood sample collection, it may happen that the blood flow stops. In this case, simply wipe the puncture site with a clean compress. Afterwards, the blood should flow again more easily. If there's still not enough blood, please repeat the blood sampling on your middle finger. Here the puncture site should be the side that touches your ring finger. Use the second lancet for this, and do not forget to disinfect the spot with an alcohol swab and wipe off the first drop of blood. Afterwards, please enter the date and time of your blood sample collection on the small card. Finally, place the blood sample in the provided plastic bag and seal it. On the same morning you collected the blood sample, please give the blood sample to your child, together with the small card, the informed consent with privacy statement, and the urine sample, so that your child can hand them in at school. Your child's teacher will receive all materials in class. Thank you very much for participating in our study.